My marking gauge. It's got adjustable pin, they can move back and forth, and adjustable block, they can move back and forth too. When you get them where you want them, just turn the screw, locks them down, and you're all ready to use it. It's very handy, very precise tool to use in your shop. I'd like to better explain my marking gauge. Now my marking gauge has a fixed marking pin and an adjustable marking pin. The adjustable marking pin, when I loosen this up, there's a piece of metal here that slides this attached to this pin so I can move this pin back and forth. Hope you can see that. Just by moving this back and forth. And then the block, which would be on the edge of the wood that we're going to mark, I can adjust this any place I want to also. Just fasten it down, and you're good to go. So right here is a really wide lap joint or something I'm going to mark out. And then you just take your piece of wood, like this, put this piece of block of wood against this piece of wood against the edge of the board and just drag it along, and it marks it. This makes a very, very fine, definite line. It's actually more sharp than a pencil. So when you do this, you use a marking gauge, it makes a very sharp, and by that I mean a very precise line on your piece of wood. It's not real deep. You can't see it with a camera, but I can see it with my naked eye, and if you had one, you'd be able to see it too. Just scratch it along there. I think a lot of times we use this for like hand saws for dovetails, but it can also be used for all kinds of things, like I mentioned, a lap joint, or just anything you want to be real precise on, very accurate. Because, well, pencil, you have the thickness of the lead that can throw you off a little bit. So on really tight tolerance pieces of wood, this works better. This works really, really good. And you can get these very inexpensively, or you can spend quite a little bit too if you want to, like most tools. But they work great. So I just want to throw that out there, and hopefully you get some use and some knowledge from this. So have a great day, everybody. See you later.